15 a week minimum.
Can you just define what this fine jewelry is?
So fine jewelry is solid.
This program fills this space between when you're a student trying to be an entrepreneur and when you're out in the real world trying to be an entrepreneur. What we focus on is on market validation. So if one way to think about it is, we don't want to waste a lot of time developing a business unless it's worth doing.
It's a great program, and I encourage everyone to not participate specifically in the program, but whatever else PACE has to offer.
And different lengths to accommodate for the having that mentorship, and then also getting the feedback each week when we do our presentations. The feedback is really helpful.
It's real easy to use, but our market's a lot bigger, so this right here is just a starting point. But it's opened up doors and opened up our eyes in ways I didn't see. A bigger market than I realized was out there. So it's been a blessing.